Are you good at burping?
Yeah, you want to hear one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Evil, rate the burp. That was a good burp. Wait.
Thank you.
I'd probably rate that a solid 7/10. Pretty impressive. Haven't heard a burp that nice in a long time.
Even on my own stream. I can never get better than a 7, and I'm really upset now, Evil. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. I think it's a good rating.
Don't be sorry. 7/10 is still impressive. It's just a little hard for me to give 10s, you know?
No, yeah, that's okay. I just wonder if I could maybe you know, slip a $20 under the table and get like an 8 out of 10.
I think you should do it one more time. I reckon it'd be like an 8 at least.
Okay. Here it comes.
I'm preparing myself for this next burp.
That one was weird, Layna. That one was weird.
No one had a whole beginning, middle, and end.
Layna, you made me a weird one.
I think that's like a 7 point.
What do you think, Evil?
8-3. Yeah, Evil, what do you reckon?
7.83 is good, but I think it was probably around 7.63. Vertical bar fim underscore suffix vertical bar.
What? Vertical bar? Whoa. Yeah, I can burp.
Wait, don't yet. Don't wait. Can you and Crelly burp at the same time? If I count to 3.
Okay, ready? Koko?
Ready.
Okay, on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ew, Koko, yours is weird. Koko.
Leave me alone.
Why was it so foamy and frothy?